All right, so here's an update to the Linagee registrar domain names. They have a wrapper online that's working. It looks like the community is growing organically. There's a Discord, there's all that. The Twitter is here, Linagee name registrar, so at Linagee domains. That's the official Twitter. You can get to the Discord, you can see the official collection on Opensea. What I wanted to show was just how to use the wrapper, right? So once you've already minted one with this button up here at the top where it says mint, this is for people who've already watched my other video, already have some names. All you would do is you would type in a domain name that you own. So I have this one, I'll do Forex Trader, it's available. I go to create wrapper. You have to pay for these transactions, right? So there's a few dollars. It's a lot of people are using it, so it's gotten more expensive. It was a lot cheaper earlier. This is going nuts. There's like 370 Ethereum in volume already, and the wrapper is only not even 2 days old. And so this is going to be definitely trending on OpenSea later on today. This is going to be all over the place. You're going to hear about it. So now you see it says transfer to wrapper. So this is the second transaction you have to do. You have to send it to the wrapper. You're going to have to also approve that. Another $1.26 or whatever. So if you bought a bunch of names, it can get very expensive to list them all. And so I wouldn't recommend listing them all. I'd recommend picking the best ones, sitting on some of them that you want to hold on to. And then the last step, it's going to say wrap. You're going to go ahead and click wrap. Now this is the most expensive one. You use the most gas. It's probably going to be, yeah, $9. So I definitely can't keep doing this. With all the names that I have, it's going to get really expensive. But Forex Trader seems like one that would be pretty in demand and probably going to sell pretty quickly. So then we just wait for the transaction to be done. All right, and then you should be able to view it on OpenSea. I'm going to go ahead and click it on OpenSea. Now that takes you to the actual, look, 371 volume. That doesn't actually take you to your actual thing. And so I want to go to activity here. And you can see this one was just minted 25 seconds ago, so I can click on it. Now it's not going to show up here, and so what you'd have to do is you click refresh metadata. You see it's queued your item for an update. You got to wait for a few seconds, and then what you could do is you could then refresh the page. After you refresh, there it is. Now it's up there. Now you can just list it like normal. Like you can just click sell and list this like normal. There you go. That's how you use the wrapper. And that's how you wrap it, and then go ahead and you can view it on OpenSea like a regular ENS domain name. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me know, guys. Be sure to follow me at 0xCryptoVert on Twitter. Later, guys. Peace.